everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the beard trimmer length on a Philips Series 9000 trimmer, and this will be an easy tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. So this is the Philips Series 9000 trimmer. This is the trimming attachment, and this right here is the adjustable beard trimmer guard, okay? So we're gonna look at the adjustable beard trimmer guard. You can adjust the length of this trimmer right here. It's really easy to do, and it's like a precision trimmer. So there are lots of guards that come with it, but if you want to use one guard and have different adjustments that you can make for that specific guard, this is the one. So you can see right here, there's numbers on it, okay? I believe, and I could be wrong about this, I believe that corresponds to millimeters, but I could be wrong about that, okay? So go and check your user manual and see what the actual numbers correspond to. I think it's millimeters, but I'm not sure for sure, so go and take a look at that yourself. But I am gonna show you how to adjust it, whatever those numbers mean. So if you turn it in one direction, the numbers get bigger. I'm turning it this way, the numbers are getting bigger. And if you look, as the numbers get bigger, the guard is separating more. It is creating more length. It is lengthening the hair that you're going to be trimming, okay? It's not lengthening the hair that you're going to be trimming. It's going to trim it longer, okay? It's not actually making the hair longer. It's not lengthening it. It's going to trim the hair lengthened longer, okay? And when I go the other way, excuse me, as the numbers go down, okay, it's making it smaller. It's going to trim the hair shorter. Okay, really easy. I do apologize. I did burp. I did say excuse me. It's all good. I'm well-mannered, but I do apologize. I tried to hold it in, but I just ate my lunch recently, so, you know, I might burp a couple times. It's going to happen. Anyways, one direction makes it longer as the numbers get larger, and the other direction makes it smaller or shorter as the numbers get smaller. Okay? You can go anywhere in between. So this is all the way at one end, and then if I go all the way at the other end, that's what it's going to look like. We can go in between and get exactly whatever you want. Really useful. So you can get any number, any length in between. It is a precision unit. It's that easy. So all that you got to do is put it on top of the actual trimmer, okay? And then you can make that adjustment. Let's say I want it to go really short, I could go to, let's say I don't want to go, you know, all the way to the bottom. I want it to go slightly below the lowest setting. Sorry, slightly above the lowest setting. So here's the lowest setting right over here, okay? And I'm going to go a couple of notches above that, a couple of notches longer. I could turn the trimmer on and I could shave up, I could buzz up my beard, right? Let's say I want it to go a little bit longer on the main part. I could go up a few more notches and then longer on the main part, whatever you want to do. It's like your facial hair is your canvas. That's what I'm trying to think of right here. That's like a revelation for me. It's like your facial hair is like an art piece and you're designing it, and this is like how fine of a brush you want to use. That's actually a great analogy. I just thought about that right now. Anyways, that was not planned. But anyways, that's how to adjust the length. Really easy, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I got nothing else to say for this video, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.